Hey there! This video will guide you through setting up the authentication for your SIP account. You will learn how to allow access to your SIP account based on its username and password or based on the user's IP address. First, in your My CommPeak account, click Setup in the main menu. Then, go to the SIP Accounts tab and click Edit next to the required account. On the Edit SIP Account page, scroll down to the Authentication section. By default, password-based authentication is enabled. Here, you can enter a new username for the account that should be at least 8 characters long. And optionally, add extra authentication by specifying one or more IPs from which you can access the SIP account with these credentials. To learn how to reset the account password, please refer to the article by the link. If you want to enable IP authentication, toggle the switch to the right. Please note that IP authentication can only be applied to static IP addresses. In the IP field, enter the IP address that you want to allow access to your SIP account and click the plus icon. You can add as many IP addresses as you need. When you've made all the necessary settings, click Save Changes. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video guide.